Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if that's what you're interested in, then be sure to subscribe. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some ways in which you can come up with video ideas more easily. So without any further hesitation, let's get started. Okay, so the first way you can actually go about this is by creating content based around what you know. Now, why do I say that? Because at the end of the day you're doing shit about what you know, like for example video production, graphic design, copywriting, whatever you know the most about, what you're most educated about. You can essentially make videos about it, and the content essentially just makes itself. And well, that's, don't mind me, I'm just clicking with my fingers. And essentially, like for example, now if someone asks you a question or like you find something like a subject or something in whatever you know the most about, you can essentially teach people about that. And yeah. The second way of going about this is by taking some inspiration. Now, by inspiration I do not mean plagiarize or steal someone's idea, as in content, because that is plagiarism, as I just said. And that's pretty bad, obviously, so, and the thing is you'll get a copyright strike as well. But by inspiration I mean, what I mean by inspiration is essentially you find, you know, someone you just like a certain video that someone has done and you want to do the same video yourself, but with the difference is you need to make the video obviously but you need to add sort of, how can I say, add your own sort of twist to it, just so it looks a lot more original, and also credit the person you're taking the idea from. And the third way of going about this is by, like, let's just come up with like 5 to 7 video ideas, right, for the week, right, and then at the end of the week, come up with another 7 ideas. Then just think of basically anything, and yeah, or go. How can I say? Choose a niche, like choose the type of audience you're catering your content to. For example, I cater my content to video producers, business owners, people who want to make money online, and just tutorials educating people on things like video production obviously, and yeah, and making money online and business. Okay everyone, so that's the end of this video. If you found any sort of value in this, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care everyone.